Hello, I got Xiaomi battery-powered camera, so let's see how to set it up. The camera has a 10,000 mAh battery that can last up to 180 days with 20 shots per day for 10 seconds of recording. Other specifications are 136 degrees wide field of view, resolution 2.5K, IP67 dust and water resistance rating. Internal storage capacity is 8 GB with ability to expand memory up to 256 GB by connecting to the Xiaomi outdoor camera base station. The camera comes with a bracket which you mount with the screws that are in the box. Charge the camera before use. The camera does not come with a charger, only a cable is in box. You can buy an additional solar panel for charging so you don't have to worry about the battery being charged. Turn on the camera, and on your phone, turn on Bluetooth, GPS and Wi-Fi.
Waiting for connection.
Launch the Mi Home app and create an account, and remember that account because the camera is linked to this account and no one else can use the camera on phone unless you have shared it, and if you want to sell it and give it to a new user, be sure to delete the camera from the Mi Home app so that the new user can use it.
Reset succeeded. Waiting for connection.
Let's start connecting the camera and mobile phone. First I will show connecting the camera to the Wi-Fi router, and later via the base station.
Connecting, please wait.
Connection is successful. Turn on surveillance for notification. You can choose between 4 types of notification: person, vehicle, animal and package. On Storage Manager, format the storage when using it for the first time. Voice record button. Turn on voice button. Full screen button. Button for resolution. Button for video record. Button for take photo. Button for alarm and light. Recording time settings. Turn on or off timestamp on video. Image rotation setting. In night vision you can set infrared recording in the dark as black and white video or full color night vision where the light on the camera can be turned on. In full color night vision mode you can adjust the light intensity. The camera has a sleep mode that lets you shut it down without having to disconnect it. Status lights show true LED light on front camera operating status like orange on beginning of video for waiting of pairing. If you see a burglar on the camera, you can turn on the sound and light alert. You can enable or disable automatic sound and light alert. Here you can set up push notifications for certain movements. To enable motion detection during specific time periods, use the scheduled detection setting. In detection sensitivity, high sensitivity detects movements up to approximately 7 meters, capturing even subtle motions. Medium sensitivity detects up to around 5 meters, balancing between detecting relevant motion and minimizing false alerts, and low sensitivity detects motion only within about 3 meters, best for avoiding unnecessary notifications. In custom detection area you can mark the area where motion will be detected. If you don't want to record a specific area, mark it in the personal area. On Manage Storage you can set where to save video. I will connect the base station later. Xiaomi Home Secure is for save video to cloud. If you connect solar panel you can see statistics of charging. On device name you can change name of camera. Here you can add location of camera. You can share device with family. In automation you can arrange automatic scenes. Here you can upgrade your device software to a new version. Here you can add a password for the application. Here you have also network and legal information, time zone, and you can add the device to the home page. In this section you can adjust the dashboard in 3 sizes. The camera is linked to your account and no one else can use the camera unless you have shared it or delete. If you sell the camera to someone, be sure to delete it from your account like in the video. I installed 2 cameras, so I'm going to delete the second one too. I will now test the detection push notification on person. In storage management we can view and delete recorded videos. Now, I will connect the base station where I will insert the 256 GB card, which will be used for recording. First connect the base to the charger and hold down the button until it starts flashing.
Please scan the QR code on the device with your phone to begin setup. Waiting for connection.
Now add device on Mi Home application. A better option is to connect the base with cables to router. If you don't have that option, then use Wi-Fi.
Connecting. Please wait. Account finding succeeded. You can use it now.
Be sure to format the card before first use. When you enable the alert option at the trigger, the base station will emit a sound notification. Let's see the base settings. You can turn light status off and on. In the Manage Storage section, you can format, eject, or view information about the memory card. In the Notification Sound section, you can enable alert notification sounds, choose an alert ringtone, adjust the notification volume, and set the time period during which the sound is active. Currently the base is connected to a Wi-Fi connection, so this option is not visible until it is connected to the cable. You can add name of the base. Manage location. You can share device with family. Here you can upgrade your device software to a new version. Let's connect the base station and the camera so that recordings are saved on the SD card inside the base.
Waiting for connection. Connecting. Please wait.
I have connected 2 cameras to the base station, and now I will show you where the recordings are stored. Here you choose between 2 cameras. Click on the top right to select videos to download or delete. I hope the video helped you. You can subscribe for free for new videos.